to demonstrate how to subtract 432 minus 297 using our standard and the multicultural algorithm. So, to begin with our standard algorithm, we subtract from right to left. When we do this, we see we can't subtract 2 minus 7. So we go to our next place value to borrow. But if we were to borrow from here, we still couldn't subtract the 2 minus 9. So then we must go to our hundreds place to borrow. We change the 4 to a 3, and we give to our next place value, which is the tens. That makes that 13, but we still have to borrow for our ones place. So we change our 13 to a 12 and give 10 to our 2, which is in the ones place, which makes that a 12. So now we can subtract. 12 minus 7 is 5. 12 minus 9 is 3. And 3 minus 2 is 1. 135. Okay, let's move on to our multicultural method. So, when we subtract with a multicultural method, we are going to subtract right to left. But when we begin our borrowing process, we take 10 away like we would normally do, make that a 2. We give it to this bottom right here, but what we're going to do, we're going to subtract 10 minus 7, which is 3. Then we're going to add the 3 and the 2, which makes 5. Okay, and as you can see, we still can't subtract 2 minus 9. So we're going to follow the multicultural method again. We're going to borrow from the next place value, make that a 3, put our 10 down here. 10 minus 9 is 1, plus the 2 is 3. And then we subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1. And as you can see, both answers are 135. So, to reiterate with our multicultural method, we do subtract right to left. But if you must borrow, you borrow like normal, but then you must give the 10 down here to this bottom number. We subtract the 10 minus the number, and then we add to the top number. Okay, and that's our standard and multicultural algorithm.